Let's add some modules to our course here in Canvas. So on our dashboard, we're going to select our course, and then in the center of the screen, we're going to click Create a New Module. We need a name for this module. It's going to be Week 1. And then we click Add Module, and our module has been added to the course. The next module we're going to add, we're going to use the plus module feature there at the top of the screen. And we'll name this one Week 2. Click Add Module. And there we have our Week 2 module. If we click on the three dots beside Week 2, we can utilize the duplicate feature, and that's just going to duplicate the Week 2 module. We're going to click on the three dots and select Edit. And we're going to change that to Week 3 and click Update Module. And there we have our Week 3 module. Looking at some of the other features, we can edit the module to require prerequisites for that module, or we can lock it. Let's lock this module until March 19th. I'm not going to lock in a time. It's going to default to 12 a.m. Let's continue on setting up our modules. We're going to add an assignment to Week 1. So we're going to select Assignment there from the drop-down menu. And then if we click on New Assignment, we're going to give it a name. So I am going to name this assignment Reading. So I'm going to type in Reading. And then we're going to add the item. And now we have added the assignment entitled Reading to Week 1. So if we go to Week 2 and add the plus, we can look at other things that we can add just to set up these modules so everyone here can have an idea of what this will look like once we get everything set up. And if we continue on and we go back up and we click on the Home button, there we see all of our modules that we've set up today ready to go.